Hi guys, this is MD Channel for English. My name is Mazen, and today we have another video of how to use American idioms every day. And today's idiom is very simple. Cat got your tongue? Cat got your tongue? Well, if you'd like to know when and how we use this idiom, then please keep watching. Hi again. When do we use this idiom? Cat got your tongue. Cat got your tongue. Mostly we use it to ask someone why he or she isn't saying anything. When they are expected to say something, but they become completely quiet. Mainly we use this idiom among our friends or relatives, people we know, because it is informal. So you gotta be careful. We don't use it in formal ways, such as if you are in the office or at work. So next time you are talking to your friend, and your friend is not replying or not responding or not saying anything, then what you say, what's the matter with you? Cat got your tongue? Finally, I would like to thank you so much for watching today's video. Please, if you like it, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos.